Hey guys, it's Savs here, and today I'm going to give you guys a quick preview of my N14 SR20DE Pulsar. And yeah, we'll just take a look at the things that need to be fixed up before the big resto next year in 2025. So first is probably the easiest one, the most obvious, is the dash surround. Plastic always cracks on these N14s. Very common issue. Unfortunately, it's kind of unavoidable, especially in the Australian weather like this. It's so hot. Plastic expands and it starts to crack like crazy. So I have to find myself another one of these secondhand, but in the meantime, that's going to be relatively difficult to do. It does have 110,000 Ks on it, so that's pretty much another reason why I bought it. It was just low Ks, pretty clean mechanically. She does run a bit rich. I'm not sure if she hasn't been driven in a while or the injectors are probably stuffed. Yeah, she's an automatic, I know, but she shifts pretty good for an auto. In a 30-year-old car, it's not too bad. Yes, the paint is quite stuffed. Sometime soon, I'll just have to find myself a pair. But more importantly, she sounds good when I start her up. Previous owner, someone must have reversed into the bonnet and pushed both the headlight and the bonnet in. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to fix that bonnet up, but I'll be able to pull this headlight back into its original spot. But more importantly, you guys want to listen to that SR20 start up. So let's fire it up real quick. Sounds good. And yes, that was a cold start as well. I shouldn't have revved it that hard, but who cares? It's an SR20. So the current setup, it's just taken the half of the box off and just sits in there like that and right next to the engine, so it's dragging in a bit of cold air. But other than that, she sounds good. And yeah, if you guys got any kind of ideas or what I should do next with this SR20 Pulsar, drop it in the comments and yeah, we'll see what happens. But that's it for now, and see ya.